name is Carolin Bier. I work with Bosch in 𝘧𝘰𝘮, and I'm responsible for SPACE, the SPC software. So I'm more on the IT side. I'm the tool admin and the software consultant for our engineers. And yeah, today I'm at the camLine forum. We just finished, or almost finished the first day, and I must say I really enjoyed it so far because, to be honest, after a while you get stuck in your own company tunnel, and it's really refreshing to get some insights what other companies are doing with their SPC solution, what projects are going on, and you get some new insights. Yeah, and it's kind of refreshing and also motivating. So I'm really enjoying it so far. So my experience working with camLine is altogether very positive. I really enjoy working with the camLine colleagues, and I must say the communication is super easy, super quick, and not complicated at all. So whenever we need something, whenever we come up with a new idea, it's super easy to get their thoughts, or to get kind of a concept how the solution could look like. And I must say, we at Bosch 𝘧𝘰𝘮, we have several tools from camLine, not only SPACE, but also 𝘧𝘰𝘮, the maintenance manager, 𝘠𝘪𝘮 as well. And we just started with the recipe management system. So for us, it's really a benefit to have several tools from camLine. We also have an ongoing project where we connected 𝘧𝘰𝘮 with SPACE together. So that was really a benefit that we could work with camLine to get the solution for both softwares and to integrate both softwares together.